The history of the sandwich. Who hasn't eaten a sandwich? Basically, two pieces of bread with some sort of filling in between. And everything has a little story to be told. What is the history of the sandwich? I bet you want to know. Well, hello, my name is Chef Taylor, and today, we are going to talk about sandwiches. The earliest recording of what can be called a sandwich dates back to the 1st century BC. It is said that a rabbi, called Hild the Elder, mixed apples, nuts, and spices between two pieces of flatbread. However, the sandwich was named after the 4th Earl of Sandwich, John Montagu. Sandwich is a town in Kent in the UK. It is said that, in the 18th century, the Earl was playing cards. He was so hooked up in the game, that he didn't want to leave the room. So, he asked for a serving of meat to be placed between two slices of bread, so he could eat with his hands while playing. It is also said that Mr. Montagu had seen pita bread filled on his Eastern Mediterranean travels, so maybe he could have got the idea for the sandwich from these trips. Anyway, the sandwich became popular in no time. At the beginning, sandwiches were intended to eat quickly. However, in the 19th century, sandwiches began to be more sophisticated as they began to be served at tea parties. Sandwiches first appeared in American cookbooks in 1816. In 1837, Miss Leslie's Directions for Cookery gives an American recipe for ham sandwiches. In 1884, Boston Cooking School Cookbook gives sandwich recipes with a variety of fillings: chicken salad, cooked ham, beef, lobster, etc. By the 20th century, sandwiches became an international phenomenon, which let each culture showcase their culinary expertise. For instance, filled pitas, croissants, wraps, open sandwiches, etc. In 1920, toasted sandwiches came out in America. One of the most popular sandwiches in America is the grilled cheese sandwich. A popular sandwich in the UK is BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato. Some sandwiches around the world. In France, the croque monsieur, ham and cheese sandwich with grilled cheese at the top. In Vietnam, there is the banh mi. It is Vietnamese salami, liver pate, grilled chicken, cucumber slices, pickled carrots and chili soy sauce. In Spain, there is the bocadillo de tortilla, Spanish omelette sandwich. In Mexico, a famous Mexican sandwich is la torta ahogada, which is a pork sandwich, soaked in hot spicy sauce. In Italy, there are many sandwiches, but today, we are going to talk about the chicken panini, which consists of chicken, mozzarella cheese, tomato, thin red onion slices, roasted red peppers in a panini bread loaf. Don't forget to spread some pesto in the bread, and then put it in the grill. Delicious. So, now, tell us what your favorite sandwich is. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe. And see you on the next video.